Well, I'm here with another pack break. Oh, well, hello YouTube anyway, but yeah, actually I have this pack of Topps which I'm gonna break here, and on another video we'll go ahead and open this Leaf Draft football. This is what we got today. So there will be a total of 3 hits. Of course, Jumbo Topps 2014. Let's see. Well, there is a hit anyways. Oh man, looking for the inserts. I was hoping I would have gotten another one of those cut cards, but they seem to be pretty hard for me to find. I've only found the Kershaw that I opened on the first pack break. So anyways, Zach Greinke, Nate McLeod, Garrett Richards, Joey Votto, Adam LaRoche. We have a rookie card of Yordano Ventura, Evan Longoria, we have a rookie card of Buddy Boshers, Justin Rugiano, Jeff Keppinger, or Keppinger, whichever you want to put it, Ryan Goins, rookie card, Salty, just Saltalamacchia. I miss having him on the Red Sox, but gotta keep moving on. Ryan Domit, Yunel Escobar, the dude who put Tú eres maricón on his eye black. That was actually pretty funny, although a lot of other people didn't find it funny. Edwin Encarnacion, Melky Cabrera, Paul Goldschmidt, Hiroki Kuroda, Elvis Andrews, and Michael Saunders, Jonathan Papelbon. Should have stayed in Boston, would have helped win another title last year. JD Martinez, Esme Rogers, Eric Sogard, Scooter Bennett, Jack Hanrahan, Jonathan Broxton, Will Myers, Power Players card of Melky Garcia. I got an insert of him a while back. A blue border. Here's a green border, Johnny Gomes. I guess these appeared in every pack. That's pretty cool though. I like Johnny Gomes. Yeah, we have Upper Class 2008 Evan Longoria. Anywhere, anytime. The future is now Will Myers. We have a 2014 super veteran Adam Wainwright, and the jersey card. It's probably not the best one we've gotten so far. I mean, it's not bad, but when you get a Tigers card, Rick Porcello isn't really the guy you want to get. You're more looking towards maybe a Max Scherzer or Justin Verlander, but there you have it. I'm going to cut this video off and get down to the box that I have over here. Later, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll be right back.